We are saying thank you because when we needed you, you stood with us. When we say vote for His Excellency Aswaji Bola Ahmed Tinubu, you did that. When we said vote for the governor of Rivers State, you did not hesitate. But I hear somebody said that they voted for him because of his popularity. First of all, let me bring the greetings of Mr. President to say that he has asked me to wish you a very good, happy new year, and to thank you that when Nigerians were doubting whether he will make it or not, Ahurawa stood firm. Rivers State stood firm. I will give him the vote. This is the only state I challenge any other state who can mobilize the two political parties, APC and PDP. Here, we are not talking about party again. We are talking about the whole family. Is that not correct? Is that not correct? We have what we call Rainbow Coalition. This is the only state it can happen. Let me see any other state that can have the kind of Rainbow Coalition that we have. So as far as Tinubu is concerned, we have taken a decision. We will continue to support him in 2027. Not be so. I would have not be so. Ebaya not be so. And Ghana not be so. I listened to my brother, Awori Milia, who was on the other side. We thank God today he's with us. It means the leadership of Ahura West, led by Evangelist Dr. Hobi Kriko, with other people, are doing well. I'm happy with the chairman of the council, who I told, don't go there and begin to drag leadership. Go there and make sure everybody's working together. And I thank God today that he has done that. I can see the organic unity. Let me tell you how the state is concerned. We will not make the mistake we made in 2023. I want to tell you now, don't ask me, are we going there? We are not going there. Are you hearing me? We are not going there. And I hear people are boasting that they will call me and give me instruction. Let me tell you. That's not like instruction as far as Rivers State is concerned. That nobody will call me. Because, like our brother was saying, you had a first agreement, somebody reneged. The second agreement, you reneged. Which one will you accept again? We will not make that mistake again. It has nothing to do with me as a person. As a minister of the Federal Capital Territory, I'm very comfortable. But what I'm saying is our people here. Before, when I was governor, Rivers State used to be respected nationally. When a governor is talking, when I was a governor, you know that Rivers State is in charge. When I was a governor, I challenged the federal government over the police trust fund. I challenged the federal government over that, and we won. Now, because opposition has collapsed, everybody's running out now on your mandate. Why did you shout on your mandate since? We have been shouting on your mandate, so I told the country, I never hid it. I said, listen, as far as Bola Ahmed Tinubu is concerned, there's nothing to think about it. He has to complete his 8 years because he has shown Rivers State love. Who would ever believe in this world that a Rivers man will be a minister of the Federal Capital Territory? Who would ever believe that? And by the grace of God, we are doing very well. You can see that Rivers State is respected because of what we are doing in the federal capital territory. All over Nigeria, when they hear our name, they begin to reject. Anybody that has problem anywhere, they say it's wicked. If there is cold, it's wicked and causing the cold. If there's no food, it's wicked. Then, rivers people have somebody that is strong. Is that not correct?
Did they fear you, OJ? Did they fear you, OJ? Did they fear you, OJ? I am so wicked that they fear you, oh. Come on, body, oh.
I have told you, if you dey lie, shout on your mandate 50 times a day. It will not give you automatic ticket. If you lie, bring everybody. Shout on your mandate. That is not automatic. We are lucky. We are not opposing Mr. President. Are we opposing him? We agree that he will go. But River State to own. This one. Hey, you go not say Kakido be laid down.
Yendeba.
So, vote, we will get somebody who we can trust, who we can go home and sleep with our two eyes closed. Because what is politics? It's interest. There's nobody that is written here that you're a saint, that God brought you. There's nothing like that. So if you don't appreciate what people have done in your life, then you have a problem. You have a problem. We have come to tell you thank you for standing by us. Because we know we need you again. Is it not correct? If we didn't come to tell you thank you, I will come next time. You will say, this man is a wicked man. The one I did he tell me thank you? So I want to thank all of you. Thank you. And God bless you.